Hello guys, my name is Villanueva Elmar and this is my JavaScript program. So as you can see here, I already created it and this is the JavaScript basics activity 1 module 2. So if you want to see the output, you just need to go to SAMP and go to localhost here. Nope, that's not. You need to search it here, then go to module 2 files and act 1 code 2, and this is the output. And if you want to see it on a mobile view, you just need to go to more tools and developer tools, so you can see it on iPhone, Pixel 5, Samsung Galaxy S8, and many mobile devices. So that's it. Thank you.